Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 300 questions, 300 MCQs of Jacobian to restoration period. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 290 up to part 12. Now this is last part 13 of 300 questions, 300 MCQs of Jacobian to restoration period. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam. तो इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस के लिए प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश. Let's start question number 291. The first question of this part. In 1655, Henry Vaughan published a translation of Hermetic work which is titled. Again listen the question. In 1655, Henry Vaughan published a translation of Hermetic work which is titled option A. Hermetical physics, option B. Hermetical chemistry, Hermetical philosophy, and option D. Hermetical biology. So the correct answer is option A. Hermetical physics is the correct answer. Now question number 292. Name the poet who was a member of parliament from Hull from 1657 to 1660. Name the poet who was member of parliament from Hull from 1657 to 1660. Option A. Andrew Marvell, option B. Henry Vaughan, option C. John Milton, and option D. Thomas Carreau. So the correct answer is option A. Andrew Marvell. Andrew Marvell was a member of parliament from Hull from 1657 to 1660. Now question number 293. One of the work of Andrew Marvell is a curious amalgam of theological controversy and prose satire, for which he became most famous in the 17th century. Identify that work. Again listen the question. One of the works of Andrew Marvell is a curious amalgam of theological controversy and prose satire, for which he became most famous in the 17th century. Identify that work. Option A. Dialogue between the soul and body. Option B. The morning watch. Option C. The rehearsal of transport. Option D. Defensio Prosi. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is option C. The rehearsal transposed. Now question number 294. Abraham Cowley's Pindaric Ode greatly influenced the poetry of. Abraham Cowley Pindaric Odes greatly influenced the poetry of. Option A 17th century, option B 18th century, option C 19th century, and option D 20th century. So the correct answer is option B 18th century is the correct answer. Question number 295. A poem on the late Civil War is an unfinished epic composed in 1679. Name its composer. Option A. Edward Hyde. Option B. Sir Thomas Browne. Option C. Samuel Butler. And option D. Abraham Cowley. So which one is the correct answer? Option D. Abraham Cowley is the correct answer. These questions are very useful for competitive exam. So listen these questions again and again. Now question number 296. Who has been held as the Shakespeare of divines? Who has been held as the Shakespeare of divines? Option A. Sir George Etheridge. Option B. Jeremy Taylor. Option C. Thomas Fuller. And option D. Henry Vaughan. Henry Vaughan. So which one is the correct answer? Option B. Jeremy Taylor. Jeremy Taylor. Option B is the correct answer. यानी कि Jeremy Taylor has been held as the Shakespeare divines. Question number 297. Which of the following is not work of Thomas Fuller? Which of the following is not a work of Thomas Fuller? Option A. The Holy Dying. Option B. Good Thought and Bad Time. Option C. An Alarm to the Countries of England and Wales. Option D. The Church History of Britain. The Church History of Britain. So the correct answer is option A. Option A. The Holy Dying. Now question number 298. What is the other name of Sir George Etheridge, the Man of Maud? What is the other name of Sir George Etheridge, the man of mode? Option A, the comical revenge. Option B, Don Sebastian. Option C, Sir Fopling Pluter. Option D, she would if she could. She would if she could. So the correct answer is option C, Sir Fopling Pluter is the correct. And dear friends, this is the second last question of 300 MCQs of Jacobian period, and second last question of this part also. William Wycherley first play was dedicated to the Duchess of Cleveland, who was the mistress of Charles II. Identify the play. Option A, The Country Wife. Option B, The Plain Dealer. Option C, Love in Wood. And option D, The Gentleman Dancing Master. So the correct answer is Love in Wood. Option C is the correct answer. नाउ दिस इज़ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन डियर फ्रेंड्स। यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए, ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्लेज ऑफ जॉन क्राउने इज कॉमेडी बेस्ड ऑन मोलियर्स प्ले ला सिसिलियन एंड ला मोर Pentier. Identify that play. Option A, The Country Beat. Option B, Juliana. Option Sir Courtly Nice. And option D, Calcito. So option A, The Countryman is the correct answer. These are some important questions dear friends. यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए हों तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं